So where are we going?
To London.
Okay. What are we gonna do in London?
Swimming or happy or sad.
Okay.
Okay.
Lily's super
Well,
happy.
we go faster than that channel.
Yes.
You're going backwards, and me and Mummy are going forwards.
Anjali, what are we gonna do?
We're going to go in the guard at the palace. So some people are going to be the guard because the real guards are on holiday with the queen.
They're not on holiday.
What? You said they're on
no.
holiday.
I mean, they're changing. Whoever is doing the duty now, it's gonna change for the new one come.
My name's Ashley. I'm your tour guide today. A little overview before we start this. So we're going to start from here in a moment. This is called Green Park. And in a moment we're going to head down this path. And we're heading down towards the Mall. The Mall, whatever you want to call it. M-A-L-L. It's the main ceremonial road up to Buckingham Palace. Now, it's a guard change day, which means it'll be very, very busy at the palace. The guard change happens every other day. The guards do change more than that. That's just going to be great. As you'll see when we get to the palace, the front of the palace, because it's Sunday as well, will be very, 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 very busy. And we'd have had to get there about 7:30 this morning to get a good spot by the palace. What those people don't know at the palace is that once the guards get into the palace, not much happens. They sort of stand there and salute, swap round, go in and then come back out. The fun bit is the marching, really, when they all march past us. So we're going to get onto the corner, where we should get a nice view. We should see the old guard will march past us, the new guard will march across, and we should see the cavalry as well. And we should also see the new guard at the end. The whole thing, end to end, is about 1 hour and 10 minutes. It's a very long, drawn-out parade, so we won't see it all, because there's more stuff to see. But we'll see sort of 4 elements to it, hopefully. Again, it happens in lots of places, so as long as you see a bit of it, you're kind of doing all right, really. Once we've seen that, we'll head round into St James's Park, and we'll walk through St James's Park, across the little lake in the middle, and we stop in the park briefly for a sort of comfort break. There's a bathroom there, and there's a little coffee kiosk that do teas, coffees, gin and tonics, whatever you like, really. We'll stop there briefly, and then we'll head back up to the Mall, and we'll walk the length of the Mall, seeing St James's Palace, various other statues and big houses along the way, and we head into Trafalgar Square. We go through Trafalgar Square, turn right, and we walk down Whitehall, which is where all of our government buildings are. Downing Street, the Cenotaph, the Treasury, all those sorts of places. And we head up, we finish up that first part of the tour in Parliament Square. So we'll have the Houses of Parliament on one side of us, and Westminster Abbey on the other. We'll say goodbye to some of you there. And those of us that are going on, we then jump on the underground, the tube, the metro, whatever you want to call it, the subway, and we'll head east along the river to St Paul's Cathedral. And that last little bit is really a stroll along the river. So we'll see the Tate Modern, Shakespeare's Globe, an area called King's Wharf, Borough Market, sort of walk through Borough Market, and we finish up on London Bridge. That's the overview. But as we go along, feel free to ask lots of questions about anything that we're looking at, or London, or the UK, or what I have for breakfast, anything else. So chat away. It's all very relaxed and informal, so don't worry, it's not all, just have a little stroll through London Bridge.
He's over there.
Sorry.
Where did he go? Turn around. They just spotted him.
Okay.
Oh, I'll be there in the morning, there in the evening. I'll be there when it's pouring, and I'm wondering, oh, I just need to know. I just need to know. Will you come back home? Will you come back home? Oh, I'll be there.